So guys, in this video we are gonna see how can we make a hamburger navigation bar using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So let's see the folder structure first. So here is our folder structure. Here are some dummy images so that we can use it in our project if we want. There is an index.html file where I've added basic HTML structure, and here our header tag where we're gonna add navigation bar. You can add in the footer section also, it's your choice. And we have added link tag to connect our style.css file. I have already written the style.css file. You can copy and paste it. You will get the source code below in the description. So let's see the logical part, which is going to be a JavaScript part. So here, let me tell you what I have done here in the CSS. We have added global CSS so that we can get a global CSS, and we have added a body which have a background linear gradient and color light blue, and then we have some CSS property. Here you can pause the video and read it, or you can just check out the source code below. And we are gonna add logic for our menu here. So first we need to add a header tag. I have already added header tag. So let's gonna be add with div.logo, which is gonna be Arsh, or you can add anything. So let's go ahead and then let's add div dot icons. And then we have uh, we have uh, a hamburger menu or something like that. So I have pasted it here. I forgot it. Yeah, here is an icon, and then we are gonna add another div dot icons, which is gonna be a cross mark. And here is, we are gonna add close, and then we are gonna add a id of open menu. Our M will be capital, and then we are gonna add again an id with the class with the id name close. Maybe this can work. So go ahead and go live. Let's see what happens. It will open the port 5500, so it will take some time so we can have fun. Let's see. Alright, so we are gonna have so much fun. So I'm deleting this so that we can get the code here. Yeah, as you can see, I have add close, and I have add an icon, both classes here, and exactly the id with the class name. This can be done, actually this can be done. So we have added menu items div, which is gonna display all our menu uh, links. So this is how we have added it. And we have added on click function menu, which we will create soon. We will create it soon. Alright, and the CSS property will look like this. For now, the div menu item is display none, so we need to make it. So let's have a function with a class name open menu. Let's go ahead and target document dot get element by id, and then name it as, alright, so we're gonna name it as whatever. I think the name was open. Yeah, open dot style dot display equals to none. I want whenever someone click on this hamburger menu, it can disappear and get let's and show the get element by id close. It gonna have the display block property. So let's add it. Alright, I have, yeah, and document dot get element by I get animation, not element by id. What was the id given to that menu? I guess, yeah, menu. Let's add menu dot styles display should be flex. I guess that's so. Let's see whether it works or not. So let's click it. Yeah, it works. It totally works. So we are gonna just copy this and just paste it here, and just change this and let's have display block property here, display none property here, and display none property here also. Now our hamburger is totally working, I guess. Yeah, as you can see, this is perfectly working, and you can just give it a smooth animation here in the CSS. This is not a CSS tutorial, so I have already written the CSS here so that we can save the time. So do comments below, what did you learn today from this amazing tutorial. So go ahead and subscribe my channel for this, man. uh, Go ahead. I have learned this in just 3 weeks. And now I can make this in seconds. Uh, for now, I have made this tutorial also, so that I can use it in future for any reference. So thank you for watching this video, and do check out the source code below the description box. Right. So thank you.